Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary, and once again I am back with a new Excel tool and function that is called data consolidation. Data consolidation is a powerful and versatile tool in Excel that allows you to combine a data from multiple sources of range such as worksheet, workbook, or any external data source into a single worksheet or a table. This tool helps you to summarize, analyze, and report data from a different source range in a centralized location. So, let's understand why we use data consolidation. Number one, first, combine a data from multiple source of range. Consolidate data from a different worksheet, workbook, or any external data sources such as a database or text files. Second, summarize analyze data. Use consolidation to summarize data by grouping, filtering, or aggregating data from multiple sources. Create reports and dashboards. Consolidate data to create reports, dashboards, or scorecards that provide insights into your data. Now, let's understand how to use consolidation in Excel. First, select the data range. Choose the cell where you want to consolidate the data. Now, go to the Data tab. Click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on the Consolidate button in the Data Tools group. Select the Consolidate button. Choose the Consolidate function you want to use, such as sum, average, count, or max. Select the data sources. Choose the data sources you want to consolidate, such as worksheet, workbook, or external data sources. Next, configure the consolidation option. Set up the consolidation option such as consolidation range, data format, or updated frequency. And now click on OK. So let's learn how to use practically. So move on to the Excel. So see, here we have some data sources, like we have a January month, February, March, April, May, and June. Here we have some employee and who have raised their sales in Jan, Feb, March, April, May, and June. Now we have to consolidate all these six table into the one. So just select the cells where you want to get the consolidate the data. So now go to the Data tab. Now here click on the Consolidate button. Now click on that. Here it's asking for a reference. So click on this and select the first range. Okay. Now add. Now again second February. Again now add. Now again March. Each of the tables you have to select one by one and just add. Now again April. Now select the add. Now again click on this and select the entire table and add. Now this use level top levels should be there, and also click on that left column blank, left column. So click on OK, and now click on OK. Here also you can choose sum, count, average, or standard, whatever you wanted to choose. So this time we need a sum. So just click on sum and OK. And you get the consolidate of entire 6 month data into a single click. So this is how you can use the data consolidation function in Excel with a very easy way. So it's a benefit of this function to improve the data management, consolidate the data from a multiple source into a single location, enhance data analysis, analyze, consolidate data to gain insights and make informed decision, increase our productivity, automated the data consolidation to save time and reduce the manual errors, better reporting, create reports and dashboard using consolidate data to provide insights into your data. Common use cases of for a data consolidation. So hope you guys have enjoyed this learning, and this has bring a lot to you, and this will work this will work very useful at your workplace. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share this channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with the next interesting topic. Thanks for watching. Thank you.